Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Red color, chocolate color, orange color, green color, pink color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, star, triangle, cross and heart. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon. Next, circle. Next, star. Next kids, triangle. Next, cross. Next, heart. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon. Next, chocolate color, circle. Next, orange color, star. Next, pink color, triangle. Next, blue color, cross. Next, red color, heart. What we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, orange color, star, pink color, triangle, blue color, cross, red color, heart. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.